Watch what go on, man. Right about now, you know, be a bad minding thing, I see I go on the internet, you know. From the ending of last week come into this week, you know. I don't know if you don't see it in a Gaza nation. Because here what go on. Popcaan post up in plot them, you know, and it look like a wrong thing the man do. Or what? The man shouldn't post up him achievement. Because this thing don't look right to me, you know. Gaza nation, first and foremost, you know, want to see, you know, the YouTube plot where the man get him and I see him have it on the ground like the footstool. And at that, and a YouTube thing, you hear MVP blogger them ever run up their motorboat and a run where they can't imagine if of them artists they have done or one of them where them call them intense that means run and a beat them chest like when Lucian told, you know, broke the record down and get and so them would all go on, you know. The gimmicks in the Gaza nation. What? The world, it is not a plan. Watch what go on, you know. Carefully. Hey, yo. A franchise, the choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know what go already, you know. When I come for represent. Full effect thing, man. You know what go? When we load up. Aim up. Crank up. Drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey. You don't know a loud explosion about you. Watch me, no, man. The people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo. Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Hey, watch me. The most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Yeah, Gaza nation. Right about now, you know. I see all vybz kartel, you know, and killer, you know, have to come out, you know, and I congratulate the youth, you know, to the amount of pressure where them act like them want to put on the youth like the man do something wrong after achieve the man achieve greatness in a dance hall. I'm telling about them shit there, you know. These are the things where artists supposed to go on and do. And that these are the things where artists supposed to tell them artists. Say, them things you want to get yourself into. This is what you're supposed to do. You know what I mean? Because this is our job. You know what I mean? I'm telling you already, you know. Mike, let me get a Bob Marley. I'm telling you already, you know, they ain't lovers of dancehall music. Bob Marley. You see what I'm dealing? Them more look like them a lover of man, my brethren. You know what I mean? Bob Marley, Mike.
Bob Marley,
you see what I say? Yeah, and I know gimmicks thing. Because you can't see big thing go on in the music and man achieve big thing and you go like so well then. When you don't want to talk about it or not go man go like say a fight him want come fight about it and want put up some form of competition about it. Because as the man post up in plot them, mavado fan page a post up DJ call him platinum plot. You see me? Yeah, I post up mavado platinum plot. DJ call it platinum plot. Now, this is what I go on. Because this is where the blogger them now come differentiate and show the people them. You see what I deal with? And that's why I'm telling you already, you know. See, I'm the man with the most famous on the internet. No form of gimmicks not in my game, my brother. Because here what I go on. That's DJ Khaled album. That's not Mavado album. You see what I deal with? I don't have to know that. You know what I mean? The man them I talk about, the man that's why you hear Popcaan and make him know say dare him for do an album. And at that the man them want him to do a Mavado album. Do a straight Mavado album for DJ Khaled. What at that the man them make you know, you know. The more you do, you know. And which is right, you know. Where you're supposed to, that you're supposed to do, you know. You're supposed to have an album already, you know. You know. You're supposed to have a straight album already. we do for DJ Khaled. I make we see. This is where I deal with walk on. Bring the levels of dancehall music to a different level. Don't go on an album with DJ Khaled have a million artists on it and you get a one feature on it. No. If you kill them, not deaf on that. And at that, they kill them deaf one. You see what I deal with? You can't lick me down, you know. You know what I mean? Yeah. Because you act like, well then, I and I shouldn't stand up on the sidewalk. I don't know joke thing. My master give me a problem because no form of joke thing in it. You see what I say? Some key I want cut on tree. Hold on a second.
No.
No. I don't see 23 white.
Only white?
3 of them here. Yeah. You guys on nation. And me I say, the man them dare him to do an album. You know what I mean? And that the man them dare him to do a straight album. Just like how you see vybz Kartel do him album and Fever sell gold. And you know so well then a theme thing. You see what I deal with? I saw the man them want mavado to do a straight album with DJ Khaled. Who can represent dancehall, make it sell gold and platinum. Nobody know a bad mind here, my brother. But when you now run go put out DJ Khaled platinum plat, you see what I deal when him just have a look of feature upon it. It look like you no bad mind and it no look like you no love dancehall music. It no look like nobody else supposed to get no reward nor no award for dancehall, but uno. I saw it look to me, you know. Because when him just get that platinum plat there, you know, nobody never post it up. Why no never post it up? Why no wait till when Popcaan enjoy himself and happy with the success where him get in a dancehall? Man a come and put a platinum plat and boy a chat shit. Yeah, and the blogger them now come and tell the band them say you're a fool and you should not deal with one, not deal with some form of bad mind thing.
How you doing back
Because
there?
I saw it look. It no look no other way. You see what I deal with? Till I'll kill her and vybz Kartel have to come out and show the youth the right type of respect. And vybz Kartel and Popcaan a jeer them look a mongrel and a laugh off of them. So through them go do that now, the world boss have to post up the gold plot and show them. You know what I mean? We not talk about no feature, you know, from no artist, you know. You notice we never post up the one with party next door and not nice. We never do that. We post up Fever, where them know who are the rightful owner. Eh? Yeah, man. I saw the thing set, man, on a farm a lollipop thing, man. A joke thing you know I go on with, man. And these are the things where somehow you now go and come chat about. You know what I mean? And these are the things one is supposed to tell on the artists them. And these are the things them supposed to get themselves involved in. Not run down YouTube views. Nah, YouTube trending. Good, respect. Because if you look on it, you know, you don't ever see Popcaan a trend on YouTube like that. But yet still him a burn up road and him a do more. Eh? Yet still the man a burn up road. And I do so much more than what them I do. We don't see a lollipop thing a go on. Eh? A big gimmicks thing a go on. Yo, you can't bad mind the people them for them success in my girl trip. I eat that lollipop thing a go on. You know what I mean? And some local man a go on like say, them want to keep them to the public and make them know. So well then that definitely a go on. You know what I mean? And a man can't post up that without mavado knowing say well then, yo, when I'm fan page I go post up that. Why you that choose to do that right now? You know she say mavado look like him badmind the man then. You know what I mean? No gimmicks no in a Gaza nation. No real way me I represent. Me not represent no lollipop way. Because you never put out that before. Why you never put out that before and show the success? Say, well then, yo, that you are dealing, eh? You never do nothing like that. You see what I say? But you run, come and force up them shit right now and I go like, say, well then, it's a bumbuckler factor or some form of competition you know, in them shit. And nothing like that, my virgin. You're the man in enough form of bumbuckler competition. You get the plot of bumbuckler and you know should have put it up from you get it. Or as the man put up in bumbuckler plot now, you see man I run a put up plot and man a chat about this and a chat about that. Yo, Gaza nation, them can't stop the blood clot shit you know, because them not like the one family business, you know. You know what I mean? I saw them plan MVP, you know. Forget we out, you know. And them couldn't do it, you know. That's what I deal with. And enough people don't ever see how them falter. Short. Them try for overthrow Vybz Kartel and Popcaan. Worse when them see Vybz Kartel get locked up and a Popcaan alone there as a local youth and family. Them come with forces and think them could have get out the man them and fail. On a suck on yourself, we are one family. Suck on yourself, you no can get rid of we. Suck on yourself, we're not bad like we. Suck on yourself, suck on yourself, suck on yourself. What? General, the 10-star one I represent. You know a Gaza way, there ain't no other way. 10-star. General. Oh.